Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are using an Android phone and your phone always heat up whenever you are using it and your battery always run down so fast, then this is for you. I'm going to show you how to save your battery and also stop the heating up that happens in your phone, right? So all you need to do is you go to your settings. So let's go to settings. Then you go to system. Hope you can see system. So when you go to system, you go to developer option. That's the last option here, the last option. But before we proceed with that, let me show you how to activate your developer option if you've never done that before. So let's go back. Once you come to your settings, you have to go to my phone. I hope you can see my phone here. Once you tap on your phone, look for build number. I hope you can see build number here at the very last here. Tap on it for 7 times and you will activate your developer option. So I'm gonna click it 7 times now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and look at no need, you are already a developer. So this is how to activate the developer option if you've not done it before. If you've done it before, there is no need of trying this again. Just go straight to your system. So I will click on system. Then I will click on developer option, which is the last option here. Then I will scroll down to background process limit. So let me look for background process limit. I hope you can see that here, background process limit. So I'll tap on it. And as you can see here, the background process limit, mine is on standard limit. We have non-background process, at most 1 process, at most 2 process. So all you need to do is switch this thing from that standard limit to no background process. Once you switch it, your phone will no longer heat up and your battery will always be there for you. So as you can see it here, I just switched mine. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, like and share. See you on the next one. Thank you.